So I made what I'm calling the 50/50 fermented super Paloma. Whole idea here was to reduce citrus waste, be creative, and make tasty stuff. So I start by making a grapefruit super juice. So we're gonna take our grapefruit, peel it, shave it, blend it up in some water with some acids, sugar, MSG, salt, and then we can add in our fresh juice to that. Boom, grapefruit super juice, a little bit savory, super delicious, very grapefruity. We can then take those leftover strained peels and add them to some sugar to make a little fermented syrup, which we can then use to make a little probiotic, bubbly, delicious grapefruit soda. Now, I did have a little bit of trouble with my soda. I burped it too much. I let it sit too much. I was moving. It's not my fault. It is my fault. We grew apart a little bit. So I did have to recarbonate my soda. Once we have all that stuff that is completely normal to make and totally not fussy whatsoever, we can build our super Paloma. I'm using a split of manzanilla, sherry, and mezcal. The manzanilla has this little kind of oceanic saltiness, and the mezcal brings a little bit of a savory smoke. It goes so well with that punchy grapefruit. Top it up with our grapefruit soda, and there you have it. The fermented 50/50 super Paloma. Have fun, save citrus, drink Palomas.